Hi.
Hi,
My name's Danny, this is Annie and this is our daughter, and we're from a project called We Be Kids. Now We Be Kids provides free nature-based online resources that boost family well-being. Today's a beautiful autumn day and we're out for a family walk and we're going to show you how you can make a simple autumn wreath.
On your lovely autumn walk, there's a few things you're going to need to take with you. A pair of secateurs, some florist or gardening wire, some twine or string, and a piece of long, flexible wire, 3mm armature sculpting wire, but you could just as easily use an old hanger.
While you're walking in the woods, gather lots and lots and lots of leaves. So whilst you're walking and gathering leaves, be sure to look for other little nature finds as well, like dry grasses or bits of wimberry or heather plants, because all of these things are going to add extra character to your wreath.
Yeah. You can also look at this time of the year for any cones or nuts and also any shells too. So you're going to at this point need to get your wire, and it's quite simple. You're literally going to create a little bit of a bend at the end of your wire, and this is just going to support your leaves as they are being slotted on. Then you're going to need to take one big bunch of those leaves that you've been collecting.
Try and organise them so you're somewhat going through the centre as you add them to your wreath. So make a nice little pile.
And you're going to realise how many leaves you need.
Just like so.
Perfect. And then you are going to slot them on through the centre, just there, and then just going to slide them down your wire. And as you see at the other end, our little fold just creates a bit of a step there just to hold the leaves on to. Okay, and then onwards we go. Once your wire is full and your basket is empty, we're ready to move on. In the next stage, you need to make sure that you take your bottom wire that was bent over before. You're going to create a loop with that and just twist the wire. So you're creating a nice little loop. You're then going to take the other end of your wreath, and that is going to slot through so you can pull tight, and we are going to have the base there for our wreath. You're going to use this excess wire here. It's going to end up creating a hook that will also tie on and you will use for hanging your wreath. And before we do that though, we are going to look at using some of our other finds from today, those cones, those acorns, those other things, the grasses and the heathers, just to prettify the top area here to hang your wreath then ready. Use your florist's wire to tie together all of your collected objects. Once you have decided your bundles, you can use the twine to decorate by attaching it onto the metal handle at the top. And then you will be attaching your chosen bundles with florist's wire and snipping away any excess. Attach onto the handles or onto the twine as desired. Add some autumn colour to your door, and we hope you enjoyed doing this as much as we did. Take care.